Hey guys, this is Desiree at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I wanted to discuss some differences between our Hydroblast and a standard parts washer. So pretty much a standard parts washer that you'd see on the market is essentially just a rinsing station where you would have to scrub your components by hand while the water sort of rinses away the contaminants and recirculates. It doesn't have much pressure at all to it. It sort of acts like a water fountain. Whereas with the Hydroblast, we have several features and advantages to this that differentiate it from your standard parts washer, which would probably make you want to go with this instead. Some features that the Hydroblast has is a heater that heats up to about 117 degrees, and it does have a convenient timer with it. It also has a window wiper, and it's all contained within the cabinet. So it's more sanitary because you're not directly handling the component, you're handling it from within the cabinet. It also blasts at 1400 psi, which takes away the need for scrubbing. It blasts away with heated water and an aqueous-based detergent all of those contaminants and grease, so it's a lot quicker process. The Hydroblast also has a better filtration system for cleaner water. For more information, or if you have any other questions about this process, feel free to visit our website or give us a call at 828-202-5563.